I'm super excited to share my amazing experience at RoboBharati in Manipal. Built my own model and coding to complete the challenge. Favorite part was clearing science maths concepts by doing experiments. I had such wonderful experience.
At RoboBharati, we make learning super fun by using STEM, science, technology, engineering, and math. Instead of just sitting in a classroom and listening to teachers, kids dive into hands-on experiments to learn the concepts. This way of learning helps them discover new things, work together with friends, and really understand what they're studying. Unlike traditional education, experiential-based learning encourages students to explore, experiment, and collaborate. Studies show that when kids can touch and play with what they're learning, they remember it way better. It's not just about memorizing facts into their heads. It's about using what they know to solve real-world challenges. When kids get involved in activities, their brains light up and work in all sorts of cool ways. At RoboBharati, we want kids to think outside the box and come up with awesome ideas to tackle challenges. We even introduce them to robotics and coding starting at just 6 years old. Through this hands-on approach, we help them boost their creativity, critical thinking, teamwork, and communication skills. The best part? Watching their faces light up when they finally understand something, push through tough problems, and realize they can make a difference in the world with their knowledge and creativity.
I really enjoy how the RoboBharati courses are set up. Learning about robotics and basic electronics is super exciting. When I go to my classes at RoboBharati, I don't even notice how fast time goes by. It's such a cool experience.
RoboBharati has some super cool courses for students in grades 1 to 10 who want to dive into the world of robotics and coding. The first course is all about robotics, where you can start as a beginner and work your way up to advanced levels. You'll learn about how machines work, how to connect different parts, and even how to write code to make them move. Next up, there's an awesome electronics course for students in grades 6 to 10. This one also has levels for beginners, intermediates, and advanced learners. You'll get to know all about electronic parts, how they work, and how to read and create your own electronic circuits. Plus, you'll learn how to code for controllers. Finally, for students in grades 8 to 10, RoboBharati offers a science and data exploration course. This course is packed with fun lessons and activities where you'll discover how different sensors work and how to analyze real-time data in subjects like chemistry, physics, earth science, and life science. It's a great way to explore the science behind the world around you. If you want to learn more about the courses we offer, check out our website at www.robobharati.com. You can also come visit our center in Manipal near Syndicate Circle or just send us a WhatsApp message at 9823512880. We are here to help you pick the perfect course for your child.